Hi guys, I've got a 2004 Ford Transit van, 2 litre diesel. It's the DI, won't start. So what happened was, about a month ago, got in the van to start it up. It turned over and it actually fired up for about 3 seconds, then went dead. Since then I've changed the battery, put genuine Ford filter on it, changed it for 4 Bosch glow plugs, and still won't start. Nothing coming up on the scanner. I'm really struggling to understand what's the matter with it. Anybody can help, please leave a message. Thanks.